Hello, and welcome back to Shadowing English Room. I'm Jack, and today we're going to talk about something that can transform your English more than grammar, more than vocabulary, and even more than pronunciation. Something simple, but life-changing. Thinking in English. Most learners can read in English. Most learners can listen in English. But thinking in English feels impossible. Your mind wants to translate. Your thoughts come in your native language first. You hear English, then your brain translates it, then you answer slowly, and speaking feels heavy. But here is the truth. You cannot speak fluently if you think in another language. Your brain needs a direct connection to English. And today, we're going to create that connection. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can shadow me. Repeat after me. Feel the rhythm. Feel the words in your mouth. Let your brain relax into English. Let's begin. Thinking in English is not about being advanced. It's about building small habits that train your brain. At first, it feels strange. Your mind resists. You want to translate. But step by step, something amazing happens. Your thoughts become simpler, clearer, more automatic, and finally, they become English. Let's shadow a few simple thoughts. I am here. Again, I am here. I am listening. Again, I am listening. I am learning English. Again, I am learning English. These are easy thoughts, but they change everything. Most learners try to think complex thoughts in English, long sentences, big ideas, perfect grammar, and their brain freezes. It becomes stressful, and they go back to translation. So today we will start small, very small. Repeat after me. Small thoughts are powerful. Again, small thoughts are powerful. Now, imagine you wake up in the morning. Your mind wants to think in your language. That's normal, but you gently guide it. You give it a simple English thought. Let's practice morning thoughts. It's morning. Again, it's morning. I am still sleepy. Again, I am still sleepy. I need some water. Again, I need some water. These small thoughts rewire your brain. They teach your mind, I can think in English. Now imagine going outside. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need simple awareness. Let's shadow outdoor thoughts. The air is cold. Again, the air is cold. The sky is blue. Again, the sky is blue. I hear people talking. Again, I hear people talking. You see how easy this is? Thinking in English starts with observation, not translation, not grammar, not perfection, just noticing your world in English. Now imagine you are at work or school. Your brain wants to switch back to your language. That's okay. When you remember, give yourself one English thought. Let's practice. I am working. Again, I am working. I need a break. Again, I need a break. I am doing my best. Again, I am doing my best. These are small English moments, but they accumulate. Day by day, they grow stronger. Now, let's go deeper. One of the biggest reasons people can't think in English is because they try to think too fast. The brain gets stressed. The words disappear. But if you slow down, if you breathe, thoughts become clear. Repeat after me. Slow is smooth. Again, slow is smooth. Smooth becomes fast. Again, smooth becomes fast. If your thoughts are slow, that's not a problem. That's progress. Now let's practice something a little more advanced, talking to yourself in English, silently or quietly. This is one of the strongest tools for fluency. Imagine you are cooking. Let's shadow. I cut the vegetables. Again, I cut the vegetables. I boil the water. Again, I boil the water. I make tea. Again, I make tea. Simple, natural English. Now imagine cleaning or organizing your room. Repeat after me. Let me move this. Again, let me move this. I want this to look better. Again, I want this to look better. I'm almost done. Again, I'm almost done. This is how you build an English mind. Now let's practice emotional thoughts, because real fluency includes feelings, not just objects. Shadow these. I feel calm. Again, I feel calm. I feel tired. Again, I feel tired. I feel motivated. Again, I feel motivated. Now imagine you are learning something new. Shadow, I can understand this. Again, I can understand this. I will improve. Again, I will improve. I trust the process. Again, I trust the process. Your brain listens to your thoughts. If your thoughts are negative, English becomes difficult. If your thoughts are supportive, English becomes natural. Now let's remove the biggest enemy of thinking in English, translation. Repeat after me. I don't need to translate. Again, I don't need to translate. My brain can think in English. Again, my brain can think in English. I let English flow. Again, I let English flow. Translation is like a heavy backpack. Thinking in English is taking the backpack off. Now let's build a small shadowing conversation with yourself. This is one of the most powerful activities in the world for fluency. Repeat slowly after me. Where am I going? I'm going home. What do I need? I need some rest. How do I feel? I feel good. What will I do next? I'll watch an English video. This is thinking. This is fluency. This is growth. Now let's put everything together into a small English thinking routine you can do every day. Shadow this with me. I observe my world. I name what I see. I name what I feel. I speak small sentences. I think simple thoughts. I stay patient. I stay calm. And slowly, English becomes natural. Repeat one more time. English becomes natural. Again, English becomes natural. Your English mind is growing every day. Every thought you shadow, every sentence you repeat, every moment you choose English makes you more fluent. Thank you for practicing with me today. You are building something powerful. I'm Jack, and I'll see you in the next episode of Shadowing English Room.